Hey, welcome to Campaign Coffee. Glad you're here. Hey, today we're going to look at replacing this door handle right now. Now we found one. Usually we use RV lock, but we found this particular product right here. Onnais, not exactly how you say it, but if you're like us and you don't like to use your keys all the time, this is going to be the product for you. We're going to check it out. We're going to see, how does it actually work? Does it work better than RV lock? Does it not? Because price was tough. I mean, for the price of an RV lock, we could replace both doors, which we may end up doing if this ends up working out all right. It says it will cover 99% of RV locks. So let's take a look, see what's in the box, and then we'll get going with installation on the door handle here. All right, let's do it. Looks like we got the installation, some kind of padding. That's a big sucker. All right, and that's pretty much everything that's inside the box. Boy, that looks good. Boy, it is solid as well. Wow. Okay, so it looks like it's got all the tools necessary. It looks like if you were going to do this, other than what you might need to take off your existing one. But let's take a look. There's a QR code for a quick start guide video. So it's actually only got 8 steps. So it says remove the existing door handle, slide the front of the new handle into the opening, connect the battery wires to the front longer screws to secure the back cover, to press the Onnais button to lock. All right, let's check it out. I don't think it's going to be that hard. Move this over. Duh. I guess you do actually have to take those screws out. I thought I was just holding a plate on there. I was actually holding the whole thing on. I get that you don't want, somebody to lose your batteries, but this is on the inside, so why not have a plate that just pops off? Anyway, 4 AA batteries. Like, there's no way that's gonna fit there. I knew it. I'm like, there ain't no way that thing's gonna fit. Oh no. Shoot. Battery. All right, so that fits much better. I just had to trim that a little bit. Everything, there was a little piece that was stuck inside there. But anyway, needed to take that piece out, and then just barely, I just had like maybe a 1/4 of an inch to get that thing to fit. But anyway, everything fits nice. Fits really good right here on the ends. So I'm gonna connect everything now. Get the cord connected. I mean, it's literally all it is you have this, the cable connector, connect that, and then these 4 screws, and put the plate back on, and that's it. All right, so that part is done. Yeah, I'm catching just a hair. That might be why it's. Oh. Hey, well, we might be okay. Oh, might be okay. Oh, I think we're actually all right.
Yeah. And then our new little lights, these are new. So these, this is the best.
Holy cow. Okay, there you go. Whew. Actually, it's pretty cool once I got it installed now. You know, a couple little tweaks here and there, but that, I mean, that's on the camper side of things. I do believe, and it may have been just the way that thing was actually bolted on there, but overall, I do believe this is a great lock so far from what I've seen. I'm going to program it now. I love the sound of it. The buttons are nice. It lights up at nighttime. So I mean, I got nothing bad to say about it, especially for the price. 130 bucks, 115 bucks. It's pretty tough to beat to have a keyless entry for your door. So anyway, there you go. It does come with two key fobs, and you know, you can unlock or lock, which I don't think they're programmed yet. I think this can control two of them. I think I have to program it first, which I'll figure that part out. But either way, I think if you look at that, you can have a lock here and another lock. So if you got two doors, you can do both. Now it has a key inside of it as well. There's a release mechanism back here on the back, I believe. Pops a key out. So there you do have a key. And then you've got a keyed deadbolt. So if it's dead or dies, you know, so you can lock it like that, and you're locked. Or you can unlock it. And voila. So yeah, so that part's pretty cool too. All right. Hey, thanks for stopping by. Appreciate you watching this one. I think it's gonna be pretty cool. I'll get it all programmed up. And there we go. So, as we like to say, life is short. Take a break and go camping. All right, we'll catch you next time. See ya. I gotta program this. Or at least try to figure out how to program this. That hurt. Let's close that up. Duh.